How to turn off orange dots microphone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Speech section and tap on Vocal Shortcuts. Vocal shortcuts allow you to perform actions by saying a custom phrase. On this page, you will see the main toggle switch for vocal shortcuts at the very top. You can tap this switch to turn the feature off, as shown. Tap it again to re-enable vocal shortcuts whenever you need them. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the orange dots microphone on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.